Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene, this C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, front heated NAPPA leather sport seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, keyless go, dual zone climate control, engine auto stop start feature, power convertible roof, AMG ride control automatic with driver control suspension management, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver remarks consider the C-Class as all that Mercedes knows about full-size luxury distilled into a smaller package. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. Experience it for yourself today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.